Iran has admitted unintentionally shooting down a Ukrainian passenger jet, killing all 176 people on board. An investigation found that missiles fired due to human error, President Hassan Rouhani said. He described the crash as an unforgivable mistake. The military said the jet turned towards a sensitive site belonging to Iran's Revolutionary Guards and was then mistaken for a cruise missile. Iran had previously rejected suggestions that it was to blame. The downing of Ukraine International Airlines flight PS752 on Wednesday came just hours after Iran carried out missile strikes on 2 airbases housing U.S. forces in Iraq. The strikes were a response to the killing of senior Iranian commander Qasem Soleimani in a U.S. drone strike in Baghdad on January 3. Video shows Ukrainian plane being hit over Iran. As investigators work to determine an official cause of the accident, the video offered new clues about the crash, which came hours after a violent confrontation between Iran and the United States. American and Allied officials on Thursday said they believed an Iranian missile had accidentally brought the plane down.